up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm so excited to bring you this video because I have gotten so many requests to talk about this. I used to be in your guys' shoes. I desperately wanted a YouTube channel. I desperately wanted to have a channel full of like makeup and beauty and just I wanted to be like that beauty guru, and I just did not know how. I didn't want to at the time. I was just very nervous. I was scared. I was just very nervous to be in front of a camera. My first fear was like talking. What do I talk about? What do I say? How do I say it? Like I was so terrified to start, but if I could tell you one thing, you can do it. I'm going to be sharing with you how to start a YouTube channel. I get tons of questions about it and why I started it, and you know, just the whole shabazz. So I just wanted to briefly talk to you guys about it. I have a lot to talk about. I don't even really know what to say all in this video. I don't know if it's going to fit all in one video, but let's go ahead and get started because I have a lot to talk about.
Smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless.
You guys do not need a bunch of expensive equipment, expensive lighting. Like, you guys don't need all that, and I think it's really like unmotivating when people see all these like famous YouTubers and they're like, how I film my YouTube videos, and they show like these thousands of dollars of cameras and equipment and stuff, and you just don't need it. You really don't. When I had first started my YouTube channel, I started with an iPhone. I bought a little adapter, so I had a tripod, and I put the adapter that like clamped around my phone, and I set my phone up on the little tripod, and I stacked it on this little table from like Walmart and set it directly in front of a window, because the window, the sun is directly shining and it just gives off really good lighting. But at first I didn't have a tripod, so I would like stack my phone up on like some books and stuff, and like, you know, like textbooks and all that stuff from school, and I would just stack it right on top and put it in front of the window and just film a video with my phone. And I would face the camera like towards me so I could see myself, and I would do it directly in front of a window with good lighting. I would do it when it's daylight outside, so that way it's not all like dark and weird in my videos. So you guys could definitely start a YouTube channel with a cell phone. That's all you need. Maybe the adapter to go around your phone, so if you wanted to prop it up or put it on a tripod, you're more than welcome. There's so many cheap alternatives on Amazon, so if you guys wanted to find an adapter or a tripod or anything like that, they are on Amazon and they're so affordable. Maybe you guys already know someone who has them, you just want to borrow it or whatever, but it is just way easier than I think people think it is to start a YouTube channel. I mean, don't get me wrong, I have definitely advanced my equipment as time went on when I had more money. So like right now I'm using the EOS Rebel T6i. It is a Canon camera. I believe it was anywhere between like $600 to $800. But what I did was got a Best Buy credit card. So I knew I didn't have the money right up front, but I would be willing to make payments. So I got a credit card, I went to Best Buy, and I chose the camera that I wanted. So that way you're only spending, what, like $50 a month or whatever for your camera, instead of right on the bat spending like $800. Some people just don't have that, and I was one of those people. I got made fun of quite a bit for it actually by my family, because we were actually out of town when I had purchased it. I bought it out of town and I said I would pick it up when I got home at my local Best Buy. And they were like, you don't need to spend that much money, like why are you doing all this for YouTube, like I don't understand why you're doing all this, and you don't need to buy an $800 camera, you're not going to get your money back, and blah 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 blah. Well, I can say the camera was my best investment that I've ever made, because it really upgraded the quality of my videos and just really helped the crispness and just like setting up with the background and everything. Is just, the camera is definitely something I would invest in if you have the money. If not, like I said, a phone will do just fine. I used to use a phone just as much and it worked just fine. But I did want to upgrade, so I did get a ring light. At first I had used a ring light that I purchased from Amazon. but now I have a Diva ring light, and those are a little bit more expensive, but I saved up for that, you know, over time. You just don't need to get everything right away. If you guys want to upgrade your equipment in the future, then so be it, but to start, you really just start minimal. You don't need expensive items. But that's pretty much all I want to talk about for equipment, but I do want to talk about editing.
Smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless
Because editing, I use iMovie. It does already come on it already does come on Apple products, so like laptops or desktops. I have a iMac desktop and it already has iMovie on there, so it's free. But you could definitely use like Final Cut Pro or things like those, like softwares that you can get, but they do cost. So I haven't found myself to purchase those yet. I've been doing really well with iMovie. I just YouTube a lot of different ways to use it and different editing hacks and stuff like that. So I definitely already have like a free editing software, and you guys can too if you guys already have Apple products, even iPads. My first YouTube video I filmed on an iPad and then used the iMovie that was already on the iPad, or you can just get it on your iPad if it doesn't have it because it's free. So definitely look into that.
Smoking and inhaling every moment. It was recklessly.
One thing I want to say, because I get a lot of questions about this also, is money. Do you get paid? How much do you get paid? You get paid for YouTube? What? Oh my god. And like, they just are so mind blown about it, and you guys have no idea. People on YouTube are like millionaires, or you know, like they just make so much money and have these beautiful homes, and it's just crazy how much you guys can make off YouTube. And I think people take it the wrong way also when they just want to do it for the money. It is not just for the money. I started my YouTube channel because, I said that funny. I started my YouTube channel because I used to watch YouTubers my entire childhood. Like all I would do is be on the phone, on my mom's phone, just scrolling through makeup videos and like watching people cleaning their houses, and I was like, I want to be that person. I want to be on camera and film videos. Like I loved it, and I was like, but I'm just too scared. Like I don't know what to talk about. I don't know what to film, and I just remember wanting to be that person. So one day I said, screw it, I'm starting. I just want to start. I want to get started. I want to do this. So that is basically it for that. But it wasn't for the money for me. It was more of just doing it for a hobby and for fun. And then I learned that you can make money through YouTube. So I do get paid through Google AdSense. Now that varies very heavily on your content, the people you're attracting, how many people you're attracting, how many viewers, how many subscribers, because if you don't have people watching your videos, you're not making any money. So the more people watching your videos, the more people engaged with your videos, the more you're gonna make. Typically, videos make money through ads. So those skippable ads that you see like before, during, or after a YouTube video, that is typically when people make money. Now, don't get me wrong, people make money off like product reviews, they get free things sent to them, which I have personally had stuff sent to me, so I'm very thankful for that. I get a lot of emails wanting me to try out their products and review them, and that is just the part of social media. They want you to talk to your viewers, they want you to engage with them, about their products with them, and review them. Now, you do get commissions and stuff like that, which I have done before in the past, but it is just, I love it. It's just so much fun, and I love receiving products and trying them out. I just think it's amazing, and it's awesome, and I would love to do this as a full-time job one day, but that's in the future, okay? Definitely don't do it for the money. You guys have to enjoy what you're doing, what you're talking about, what you're filming. The money will come one day, but don't expect it right away. That's just not how YouTube works. Some people have to have a YouTube video for like 20 years, or not 20 years, oh my god, that was excessive. Some people have to even have a YouTube channel for like 7 or 8 years before they're making a really good income off of anything. Don't get me wrong though, some people can start a YouTube channel and with a year like make bank, but it just depends. Like, people have to like you, they have to enjoy your content, they look up to you. You're an entrepreneur, you are inspiring them to do better for themselves, you're inspiring them to work out, eat better. Like, there's fitness videos and what I eat in a day and makeup video. Like, you're inspiring these people. They have to like your personality, the way, the stuff you talk about, and things like that.
Smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless and
I would say is to choose your topic. What do you want to talk about? What do you want your channel to be? What do you see it being in the future? Like me, I had no idea what I wanted to do, but I know that I love like house stuff, house decor, cleaning videos, makeup. Like, I love it all. So the main things I focus on is like health, fitness, like home decor, like thrifting videos, makeup tutorials. So it's all just combined into one, and it's all one big topic, if that makes sense. So you have to find your topic that you want to go about. Some people are strictly just all about food. They love like eating vegan or whatever and cooking, and then have like a cooking YouTube channel, or you know, you just have to find what you want to do. I would definitely say to start your channel over stuff that you like, not just because somebody else likes it. You have to like what you're talking about. But that is pretty much everything that I have for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this type of video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want future videos like this or talk more about this topic, I'm glad to do that. Just comment down below or give me ideas, or you know, shoot me a message on Facebook or something. All my social medias are down below in the description box. I do have a new Instagram if you guys are curious. Talk so loud, so rude. A new Instagram does talk about health and fitness and my eczema. It's like skin. There is meal ideas for healthy meal prepping and healthy snacks, and just definitely a lot of topic about food and health in general. So if you guys want to see that Instagram profile, it is down below. I also have a Instagram that is full of beauty, like nails and makeup and hair and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested, please go ahead and check those out. And without further ado, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!